So I'm gonna do a DIY about how to make a transparent photocard like this one. But for this version, I didn't have the material, so I'm gonna do a low budget version, and it looks like this. It won't be the same like this one, but I'm gonna try to make it similar. So stay tuned on my video. So the materials are a photo that you've choose to pen you print, markers, scissors, a glue, camera sheet. You can find it at the bookstore, a vise, or if you didn't have a vise, you can use an iron clothes, and a piece of paper, or you can use a fabric. So let's go to the step. So the first step is cut the pictures that you've printed before. Cut the pictures as close as the body as possible. And then put the pictures into the laminated sheet. Like this. And to make it easy when you cut the laminated sheet, use a marker and make some line like this, and then cut it. After you've done cut the laminated sheet, put the pictures that you cut before into the laminated sheet like this. And before you face it, I recommend that you decorate the laminated sheet first and glue the picture first to make it easy when you face it. Like this. Next, face the laminated sheet. But first, put the laminated sheet into a piece of paper like this, and then face it. But be careful because this is so hot. You can use a clothes iron if you didn't have a vise. And you can use a fabric or a cloth if you didn't have a piece of paper too. Let's see. Ta-da! Finish! Anyway, this photocard, you can use it as an accessories for your phone. Put it into the back side of your phone and look like this. Or you can use it as a decoration of your carrying. You can use a paper roll to make a hole and put it in the carrying. So good, right? Very good. Or if you have a book, or if you love to read a book, you can use it as a bookmark. Like this. Wow, very useful, right? So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like my video, and I hope my video will help you to make a little decoration like this one. And see you in another video. Bye bye.